Hello students, now welcome to this video lecture. Now today we are going to study about nutrition in plants. This is the part of class 10th chapter first. Now let's see how plant take nutrition and what kind of nutrition is found in plant. First of all, in plant, nutrition is autotrophic. Autotrophic nutrition is found in green plants, all chlorophyll bearing plants. Clear? Now next one, in plants autotrophic nutrition is completed by photosynthesis process. Now it is clear, plant take their nutrition by the process of photosynthesis. Clear? In the case of plant, nutrition is autotrophic, and autotrophic nutrition is take place by a particular process called photosynthesis process. Now let's see what is photosynthesis process. Clear? What is photosynthesis process? It is biochemical process. It is biochemical process and is formation of food materials take place and also oxygen gas evolve. Clear? Means photosynthesis a particular biochemical process in which formation of food materials take place. Along with food materials, oxygen gas is also formed or evolve in this process, means in photosynthesis process. Now it is clear, plant perform photosynthesis, and photosynthesis process formation of food material along with oxygen gases take place. Now let's see what is the essential factor or raw material is required for photosynthesis. Clear? Now next, factors necessary for photosynthesis. Clear? Means some factor or necessary or some factor are essential for photosynthesis process in the case of plant are as follow. First is chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, light or sunlight, and water. S2. These are the four factors which are essential for photosynthesis in the case of plant. Means plant perform photosynthesis in the presence of these four types or four factors. Clear? Chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, light and water. In which carbon dioxide plant take from atmosphere, light from sunlight, water from soil with the help of their root. Chlorophyll generally present in the green part of leaf. You know, chlorophyll, a green colored substance. Here, means chlorophyll is a particular green color substance which also known as green pigment. It help in the absorption of sunlight. Means it trap or it absorb sunlight. Clear? Now these factors are essential for photosynthesis. Chlorophyll, green color pigment present in the green part of plant, absorb sunlight. Clear? Next one, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide plant take it from their surround, light with the help of chlorophyll, OH2 from their root. Now let's see this overall mechanism by the help of a suitable diagram. Now the mechanism of photosynthesis. Mechanism of photosynthesis. Mechanism of photosynthesis, or how photosynthesis is take place in the green part of plant. Clear? Let's see with the help of a particular diagram. Clear? This is particular green leaf in which chlorophyll already present. This is green part leaf in which already chlorophyll is present. It is clear? This is root. Water is absorbed by root and move towards upper direction, and lastly reach in the leaf region. Clear? This arrow indicated the movement of water. Clear? Lastly water reach in green part of leaf. Now sunlight is trapped by the help of chlorophyll. Light is absorbed by chlorophyll, which are present in this part of leaf. Clear? Now it is clear. Next one, water, light, chlorophyll. Three factors are available in this part. Now next factor, carbon dioxide. Plant take carbon dioxide from their atmosphere or their surround medium with the help of stomata. Now here photosynthesis process is proceed. Means four factor means carbon dioxide, light, chlorophyll and water. These four factors as perform the photosynthesis process and for food material. Clear? Now food material which are formed and this process is stored in the form of starch. You can say in plant food materials, in plant food materials is stored in the form of starch. Clear? In the photosynthesis process, food material is stored in the form of starch. Now, this diagram explain or represent the mechanism of photosynthesis at the level of class 10th. And the higher classes, we study about the various cycle related to photosynthesis, but at the level of class 10th, this diagram represent how photosynthesis process take place, how plant take these factor or raw materials which are essential for photosynthesis. Now it is clear. In nutrition in plants, some factor essential earlier we are discussed. Now after this we are going to study the next part of nutrition in animals, and nutrition in amoeba, nutrition in human beings. Thank you.